All right, for any students the question was posed. How about this? Let's take it in this direction. The question was posed, how, since there are multiple group members in this particular project, the question was posed, how should we process our data and format, being that we have more than one computer being used? So I forwarded that student to the team contract template. Or matter of fact, I'm sorry, let me rephrase that. I'm using this video to forward this person to the team contract template. This is where you basically form what's the equivalent of an organization's operating agreement. So when you formulate a corporation, like if you go to the Secretary of State's website, there is a section where you can choose to upload an operating agreement. That's one way to look at it. But essentially, whether it be a partnership, an operating agreement, you're determining how your company is going to function, and in this case, how you're going to record your information. Now, when the cohort of teachers that I went through this training with operated, I chose, I'm a type A person, so I pushed the issue a little bit and just said, look, you do this, you do this, you do this, save your portion, send it to me, and we'll have one person to combine it all into a PowerPoint presentation. Some people followed instructions, some didn't, but the ones who did made that section easy. So what that would look like on this document is, in the participation section, we agree to, and each person maybe have a role. Then how are you going to communicate? By email, text, group chat, Microsoft Teams, you choose. Meetings, how often will you meet and how will the meetings go? Conduct, you should have actually done this in a previous assignment, but are cell phones acceptable? Does everybody need to have their camera showing if you're doing a Zoom meeting? Conflict, you can maybe assign someone to be a mediator, you can take votes. Deadlines, you want to have things done by a certain time, and there's also another document that goes with this project that is going to let you map out your timelines. So when you're talking about your structure, again, this is different than being a consumer, because when you're a consumer, people are telling you what to buy. Now you're choosing, okay, how do I create something that the market demands? It takes more of a thought process, but it makes you a more well-rounded person.